Ready na.
Rito sa special request, nag-overland. And yun na nido. Perfect. Tugtog, Mr. Operator. For me. Ayun yan eh, nag-overland. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me.
Hi guys, may kami mga kadisko. Ito na naman tayo